Hey guys, welcome back to Record-ology. Okay, I want to talk to you about a very common thing and something I'm asked about all the time. So I wanted to give you guys a quick fix on this problem. Now, we've done videos in the past about skipping records and various ways to fix them. However, this is a very common solution and oftentimes this is the culprit. So what happens is, when you have a record player like a suitcase player or an all-in-one record player that has this little cueing lever right here, that can actually cause a lot of the skipping. And the reason why is this control corresponds to this little lever. And I'm going to zoom you in a little bit so you can see a little bit clear exactly what I'm talking about. So underneath the tone arm, I'm going to lift it up here. You'll see this little plastic shelf, this little, sometimes it's rubber, sometimes it's just plastic. So when you raise the tone arm lever like that, when you raise is a cueing lever. When you raise the cueing lever, it's lifting this piece up here, which in turn lifts the tone arm, which in turn lifts the stylus. And then when you lower it, it goes back down. As you can see, it releases it and it sinks back down. However, what happens is a lot of the times is when you lower it, it doesn't go down far enough. It may go down halfway. This one's pretty well exercised, so it's going down. So what happens is it goes down a little bit, but not all the way, say to about right there. Enough for the needle to make contact, but not enough for the full pressure of the cartridge to come into contact with the record. So what ends up happening is the record skips, especially on heavy modulation, like a bass drop, stuff like that. So it's very simple to fix. Once you have the cueing lever in the down position, just gently push down on the rest. It's not going to hurt anything. And as you can see, this one's pretty good, but it doesn't hurt anything to push that down. Make sure that's seated all the way down because there's like a lubricant in there, and that lubricant can be dry, it can run out, it can just be cheap lubricant, it can be kind of sticky. This one's a little sticky. Hear that sound, that kind of sound? It shouldn't be that way. So this one did that for quite a while. So the fix is just to gently push down on the tone arm rest, make sure it's fully down and out of the way, and that will fix a lot of your skipping record problem. So there you go, a quick fix, and again, one that we have addressed in a previous show, but it was kind of buried in there and I thought this deserved its own video. So anyway guys, there you go, a little quick fix on skipping records. I hope that was helpful. Tell me down in the comments below. Hopefully that gave you a little bit of something to fix the skipping with, because I know that's a fairly common problem that some people have. Not everybody, but some people have that problem. But anyway, all right guys, that's going to do it for today. Happy record hunting. We will see you tomorrow.